Should I scratch? He's so bad. I should just turn him off. Maybe I'll... That's better.
There's a better way to relieve an itchy scalp. With new itchy scalp care shampoo and conditioner with eucalyptus and head and shoulders. This formula helps fight dandruff, soothing itch relief, satisfaction guaranteed. New itchy scalp care shampoo and conditioner with eucalyptus from Head and Shoulders. Respect the scalp, love the hair. It's lobster best. When we turn lobster into irresistible creations, like our new lobster our decadent lobster
tissue can make it burn even more. New Power more soothing than common tissue and delivers twice the moisturizers versus the next leading lotion tissue. Meet the Chevrolet Equinox. New places.
Come here.
New flavors.
Come on.
You need to squeeze up to 1,100 highway kilometers of fun out of the tank. Fuel friendly.
Come on.
Adventure friendly. You can fill up, never fill up. With best in class high refuel efficiency. With Chevrolet and Chevrolet.